Are you behaving like I asked you to? Excuse me. Are you behaving like I asked you to? Hey! What did I say? Your toy is over there. That is not your... Hey! That is not your toy. Excuse me. Over here. Apple. Your toy is over on the end of the bed. This is not your toy. This is my pillow. You should get off my pillow because I want to go to sleep. Don't look at me like that. You know what you did. You make Daddy happy, we'll play with your toy. Come on, over here. See? Come get it. Get your toy. All I have to do is wiggle it, that's it. You little shit. Daddy's toy is nicer. I'm gonna go sit on that toy. What? There's nothing wrong with that. What's yours is mine. What's mine is mine. Yeah, I enjoy it. Oh, look at me.
Everything's mine.
Bark, bark, woof, woof. Grr, grr. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna put the camera down and see who's boss then.